absolutely lovely. Look at that white.
In 1 kilometer, arrive at Button Street.
Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Woo! I don't know if you can hear the branches, how they hit my cabin, but that's the way. It is impossible to go from somewhere else. Tiny, tiny. Woo!
Arriving at Button Street.
Button Street. Nice.
In 900 meters, turn left on Swanley Village Road.
Yes. You. Yes.
Turn left on Swanley Village Road.
So nice and tidy. Are we going to get in? Yes, yes. Are we? Yes, 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 yes. We are in. Coming to the tree. Dinkity binky dinkity. Are you coming to the tree? Yeah. I am here. And you are untouchable. Yes. Are you coming to the tree? Тупейшая моя. .90 angle of this corner. It is really tough one. hope my approach is good enough to take the corner. Let's see, what do we have? I think we are good. It should be passing with no problems. Okay. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Let's get back to the motorway, through the tiny way. This looks nice. It's like a tunnel of trees. Forest tunnel. Forest tunnel. Yay! Yes. And again on the very, very narrow way. What do you think, guys? Is it narrow enough? Or it can be more narrow? More than that? It is like I am on the train again. It's just a little bit wider than the train. Yay! Branches, branches, branches. Always these branches. Yup. Whoppa. Yeah, 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 yeah. And we're out. We are out. Do you know where are you, my dear? Calculating. Calculating. Still calculating? Yeah, nope.
Turn right on London Road, then enter roundabout.
Yes, we are turning right. Just have to wait for the incoming traffic to pass, to go through, and it's our turn. Let's go. Go, go, go. Fire in the hole.
Take second exit to London Road.
Mm-hmm. It is looking very nice, but
Take
believe
second
me,
exit to
it's not feeling nice when the truck starts sliding in the roundabouts or on the corners. It's a cheeky weather.
the roundabout onto Buckshaw Avenue.
Yeah.
Continue on Buckshaw Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
In 1 kilometer, turn right on Preston Road.
I'm going to speed a little bit more because I don't want to get stuck on the hill. The trucks love to stuck on the hills when it's snowy. I mean when it's snowy. If it's not snowy,
In 600 meters,
there is
turn
no
right
problem.
on
But
Preston
I'm not
Road.
going to stop here. That's crazy. If I stop, I may not go again.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Preston Road, A6.
I believe this guy doesn't know what he's doing.
Turn right on
Take the next
Preston
right
Road.
onto Preston Road, A6.
Ooh, we're on the edge to stop because of this light, traffic light.
In a 1/4 mile, keep left to continue toward A674.
To Millennium Way.
Come on, man, push the pedal a little bit more. We need momentum to go up the hill. It's always bad when someone who has no experience in snowy weather is in front of you with another truck. You can do nothing. You can hope for the best and for some luck.
Keep left, then slide left onto A674.
To Millennium Way.
Don't want to slide on this corner.
Take the next left onto A674. In 1,000 feet at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto the M61 ramp to Manchester, Bolton.
Yeah. Come on, man. Why are you
Take
so
3rd
slow?
exit to M61. Take exit to M61.
What do we have here?
Exit the roundabout onto the ramp.
I think this crossover car in front of the truck is a summer tires lover. Maybe.
In a 1/4 mile, merge onto M61.
I hope on the motorway the things are going to be better. Okay, that's it for tonight. If there anything is interesting, I will connect you again. Bye bye.